We are going to look at how to use the TI Nspire to find a 5-number summary. We've done it by hand where we put the numbers in order and we cross numbers off to find the median, Q1 and Q3. And this will be a way to find it that might be a little bit faster if you have a bunch of data that you're looking at. So the first step, and we're going to look at our data. Here's the 2014 New York Yankees team, the salaries of each of these players. And all these instructions you'll find on the worksheet in class. So it says, let's find the 5-number summary on the calculator. So I'll show you the different steps. The first step is press the home key, press 1 to add a new document, press 4 to add a list and spreadsheet. So go to the home screen, which I'm already on, press 1 to do a new document, 4 to add a list and spreadsheet. The next instruction says go up to box A and we're going to label this salary. And then we're going to just start typing in the salaries of the players on our worksheet. So we're going to start with CC Sabathia, and we're going to work our way down and type them in. So Sabathia made $24,285,714 in 2014. And then we're going to go down here and do Mark Teixeira. He made $23,125,000. And so on. We're going to keep typing those in, and when you're done you should have all 21 players. Now I did this in advance, so I'm going to pull up mine. Alright, so you'd be typing those in, and when you're done it should look something like this, where you have all 21 players right here. So then the next step is, once you have all the salaries typed in, arrow back up to cell B1. Okay, so we're going to go up to cell B1. And really you just have to be in a different cell, not in your list. And now we're going to calculate the 5-number summary. So to do that, you press the menu key, and we're going to choose Statistics, Stat Calculations, and we're going to look at one variable statistics. So again, we went to Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations, one variable statistics, and this time we have one list, so let's go to OK. And to name our list, we can go over to this arrow key or press the arrow over key here and select, we want salary, and go down to OK. And you can see a bunch of stuff popped up here, and if we take a look at it, these symbols all have meanings. X bar, X with a line over, this is the average. And so here's our average. If I hover over it, we can see that the average is about 8 million. And we're going to learn what some of these other symbols mean, but today we're looking at the 5-number summary. So N is the number of terms. There's 21 terms. The minimum was 502,100. Q1 was, if I hover over it, looks like 1,153,212. The median, oops, if I hover over this, oops, or we can see what it is right here. The median is about 3,300,000. Cancel. Q1, if we look right here, or sorry, Q3, the upper quartile, is, it looks like 16 million. And the maximum was CC Sabathia's at 24 million. And so this is an easier way to get our 5-number summary. So if we go back and write down all these in our worksheet, let me find our worksheet. On the next page it says, the only thing it does not tell you is the mode. You have to find this on your own. You can sort your list to help you. Okay, so this tells you how to sort your list, and we can find the mode. But let's write down these first, and then I'll look for the mode. So the average, or X bar, let me go back to the calculator. Okay, so here's the average, 8059045. Okay, let's write that down. Okay, so it was 805, and I forgot already, 9045. And I'm just going to round to the nearest dollar. Yeah, 0.14. Okay, so I'll run to the nearest dollar here. So the average was 8,059,045. The median, the middle number, let's go here, go down a little bit. Median was 3,300,000. It was 3,300,000 for the median. The minimum, 502,100, 502,100. Q1, 115,3212. Okay, so 115,3212. And 0.5, so really maybe I should round to 3. So Q1 was 1,153,213. The median, the middle, which I have right here, is 3.3 million, or 3,300,000. Q3, $16 million. $16 million, and the max was CC Sabathia's at 24,285,714. All right, let's try the mode. So mode is most. I don't think this one has a mode because nothing was the same, but let's try the calculator instructions anyway. So they say to find the mode, move your cursor so the A salary cell is highlighted. Okay, so we have to go back over here. Okay, oops. Okay, press menu, actions, sort. Okay, all right. So now it's sorted and we can look for anything that's the same. And we already know that there's nothing the same. All right, so there's no mode for this one. Oops. So no mode. All right, so we did it once. Let's try it a few more times until you get comfortable. In the next few days, we'll actually be finding the 5-number summaries and also on the calculator finding the box plots. So let's do one. Try one creating with another one with the number of apps people have on their cell phones. Okay, so since my class is not here, I'll make up data. Let's say someone has like 50 apps on their phone, another person 43, another person 70, another person 100. How about 71? How about 35? How about 20? How about 100 again? How about 50? How about 50 again? How about 42? Okay, so I'm not sure if this is realistic, but here we go. Number of apps, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 pieces of data. All right, let's try finding the 5-number summary and also the mode. So first step, again, if we're just reading the instructions on our calculator, go home. We're going to do a new document, don't save unsaved. And we're going to add a list and spreadsheet. Let's label this apps. And let's go down and start just typing them in. And it was 50, 43, 70, 100, 71, 35, 20, 100, 50, 50, 42. All right, so we have 11 pieces of data. All right, so go to some other cell. I'll just go here, and we're going to menu, statistics, stat calculations, one variable statistics. We have one list. We're going to arrow over and click on apps. And we have our 5-number summary. And again, the average is 57 apps. So here's average X bar. There's 11 terms in our list, so I asked 11 people. Minimum is 20. Q1 is 42. Median is 50. Q3 is 71. Max is 100. So there's your 5-number summary. Let's try finding the mode. So go to the apps thing. Go to menu, actions, sort by ascending. And now we can look and see what happens most often. And I think it's 50. 50 happens 3 times. Yep, so 50 is the mode. All right, so that's just kind of a quick overview of how you can do a 5-number summary. We will practice this more in class and also look at how to make a box plot.